Southern. Thanks for tuning in. Today I'm talking about what you need to know before you go to beauty school. Okay, so here's what you need to know. First of all, make sure that you really like hair, skin, and nails. Now, I know this sounds like it should go without saying, but you're gonna be around it a lot. You're gonna be doing a lot of hair or a lot of facials or a lot of nails. So make sure that this is something that you're really passionate about, because there's nothing worse than getting into an industry and then realizing you don't actually like it. And now, being a novice at something is totally different. It's okay to have a beginner's mind about something. You just have to have a really unwavering, like a burning desire to, if you have a burning desire to really help people, transform lives, make people feel confident and great and transformed, this is an amazing industry to be in. It's okay to have a beginner's mind. Don't expect yourself to be perfect right off the bat and know everything right off the bat, but do have a passion and a love for hair and beauty. That's one of the things that you should definitely know before enrolling in beauty school. The second thing is, think about what kind of schooling process you really want to have. There's a couple of different routes you can go. You can go to traditional beauty school, or you can be an apprentice. I personally went the apprentice route. I was able to learn while I earned, get real salon experience right away, and I learned all those tips and tricks that they don't teach in beauty school. I also decided to go the apprenticeship route because I wanted to cash flow it, and I didn't have money saved for the sometimes high cost of a traditional beauty school. Something else that you should know, 80% of licensed cosmetologists are no longer in the industry after 5 years. Aww. Now, I'm not saying this statistic to scare you. I'm just sharing the reality of it. It's a sink or swim kind of business, and it's really up to you at the end of the day. Now, that is good news and bad news, right? So if you want it bad enough and you're willing to do whatever it takes, you can really thrive in this industry. There are so many people, so many beauty professionals that are just absolutely thriving, and that's possible for you too. I'm living proof of it. It's only been a couple short years, and I am loving what I'm doing. I'm able to make full-time income on part-time hours, and there's so much room for growth and for creating new streams of revenue. My point is, just decide to be your best, okay? Decide to be the best possible beauty professional that you can be. Just know that it's competitive, and that at the end of the day, it's really up to you. How bad do you want to be successful? Now, before you go to beauty school, you really need to hear this. Even if you do the most amazing hair, even if you have the most incredible skills, if you don't have a business and marketing plan, your efforts are gonna fall flat. And this piece is so crucial. Make a plan, have a goal. I talk a lot more about this in my course, The Beauty Blueprint. Unleash your inner boss babe and become a beauty pro. So if you want to learn more about that, I've linked it below in the comments. Yes! Last thing that you need to know before you start beauty school. I have a background in marketing and banking and retail. I did a lot of things before I became a hairdresser. I became a hairdresser in my 30s. And what I love the most about it is that I can be so authentically myself, and that is my brand. And my guests love coming in to see me, and we have great relationships. It's just an awesome feeling. I was in control of where I wanted my business to go, how fast I wanted it to grow, how much I wanted to expand, how many hours I wanted to work. Just remember, it's on you at the end of the day. Just know, like, you're not going to be like a salon. Even if you're like, if you become a salon owner, you go work at a salon, people are going to come and sit in your chair because they want to see you. So be authentic and, you know, show up how you feel comfortable showing up, and be yourself. And if you want to hear more, check the links below.